Who got this? Dad got this.
So it is a cold and rainy night, and we are in line at Blaze Pizza in Disney Springs. We are here to watch some fireworks over at the Boardwalk later tonight with some family visiting from out of town. But we decided to meet at Disney Springs for a little food and fun. So we are going to try out Blaze Pizza. Been here before, but this will be the review. This line's not too bad, but it's busy over here for a rainy night. We ordered 3 pies, a cheese pie for the kiddo, a meat eater, and an art lover. The meat eater has pepperoni, meatballs, red onion, and mozzarella. The art lover has artichokes, mozzarella, ricotta, red onion, or red sauce dollops. Sounds good. So we've had the pizza before here. We liked it. I don't expect anything to be different. It's one of those kind of, I guess I'd call it Chipotle-style pizza places where you can build your own pizza as you go down the line or order a pre-made pizza. And then they fire it in this like super fast hot oven. It takes like a minute and a half or something for them to do it. It's a pretty cool concept. So we're just waiting on something to go beep, beep, beep so we can get our pizza. This is the meat eater. It's got the pepperoni, the meatballs, the red onion. You see they get a nice browned crust on the bottom. It's crispy but not crunchy. The meat eater has a little bit of spice to it from the pepperoni. It's a good pie. It's not New York pizza. It's not real pizza, but it's a good pizza. This is the art lover. This has the ricotta, the artichokes, and the dollops of red sauce. I like that one. I like the ricotta on there. The artichokes are a nice touch. There's no meat, but it's satisfying. It's a good slice of pie. Between the two, I'd probably go for the meat lover because there's a little more substance to it, but they're both really good. Ellie Belly, how is your cheese pizza? We get the thumbs up. After careful consideration, I'd say meat eater. They have some pretty cool sodas here too. This is an orange mango soda, I think. Refreshing. And it's Disney, so now everything doesn't either come with a paper straw or it comes with these weird lids. It's okay, I'm an adult. I don't need a straw. We just finished our meal over at Blaze Pizza. I like the pizza, man. It's not New York style pizza, but it's a good slice of pizza. It does the job. It's pricey. It's Disney, but you liked your pizza? The kid liked her pizza. We liked our pizzas. I'm walking through somebody's photo. Terrible tourist I am. So, we are now on our way to the Lego store to meet up some family. Let the kids play a little bit. Somebody's excited about the Lego store. We can never get her out of there. And then after that, we are going to head over to Boardwalk and try and catch the Epcot fireworks. as you can see, it's a couple days after Christmas. Everything is still decorated for Christmas, and I love it. Christmas is my jam. Folks, I think I found my next outfit for Christmas. That guy had the outfit, man. I gotta get me that. I am rocking that in a Christmas video. I don't even know if that's a Christmas outfit, but that guy had an outfit on, man. I don't even know if he was part of the show. I think that's just a guy who decided he needed to dance. We are on the road to bus number 12 to Disney's Boardwalk. We're cutting it close. We'll see if we make it for the fireworks. For more fun and videos, visit youtube.com/dadgotthis. To be sure you don't miss anything, be sure to like, subscribe, and hit the damn bell. I double dog dare you. Come on, you have to do it. It was a double dog dare. I mean, those are the rules.